Want to effortlessly transform your Bitcoin into Solana within the sleek interface of your Phantom wallet? First, ensure you have both Bitcoin and Solana loaded into your Phantom wallet. If not, you will need to deposit them before proceeding. Next, tap the swap icon located at the bottom center of your Phantom wallet's main screen. This will open the swap interface. Here, you'll see two fields you pay and you receive. Tap the You Pay field to select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Choose Bitcoin from the list. This designates Bitcoin as the currency you will be swapping from. Now, tap the You Receive field and select Solana from the list, setting Solana as the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to swap. The Phantom wallet will automatically calculate the corresponding amount of Solana you will receive based on current market rates. Carefully review the transaction details, paying close attention to the exchange rate and any associated fees to confirm all information is correct. Once you are satisfied, tap the swap button to initiate the transaction and complete the bridging process. Your Phantom wallet will display a confirmation message indicating that the swap was successful, and your Solana balance should update shortly.